Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mrs. Nikmaturiaya as Research Methodology Lecturer. Let me introduce myself. My name is Safitri Marani from Accounting Major Class F with presence 27. In this opportunity, I would like to present about the final project proposal with the title Calculation Cost of Production with Method Cost of Order XXX. The presentation will be divided to several parts. The first is research background, and second, formulation of the problem, third, research purpose, and then benefit of research, next, literature review, and the last one is research method. Background. In the era of Industrial Revolution 4.0, which is growing, now entrepreneurs are required to able to follow this development and be able to face increasingly first business competition so that the company goals can be achieved, namely got the optimal profit. Price the competition in the business, my company have a policy in calculating the cost of production in order to be able to expand the market and obtain high profit. The policy that can be used by company management is to plan and control the allocation of costs. Therefore, the allocation of costs must be done correctly because it relates the calculation of the production. The cost of production is inseparable from cost. Direct information and collection of production costs will determine the correct calculation of the cost production. Calculation of the cost of production that is less precise and less accurate will cause the company not to get optimal profit. Therefore, the company must calculate the cost of production correctly in order to be able to claim profit optimally. Quote by expert Mulyadi, 2050 and 65, the determination of cost production has the benefit of determining the selling price of the product, monitoring the realization of product cost, calculating product profit and loss, and determining the cost of inventories of finished product and the product in the process present on the balance sheet. So the cost of production is the most important element in the determining selling price, where the selling price is the proportion of profit to be received by the company. The proportion of profit received determining the program of a company. The researcher took a research place in one of the confection located in city XX, namely YYY. The company main activity is to produce various type clothing such as PDL, shirt, jacket, alma mater coats, graduation size, backpacks, flag, and so on. YYY produced based on customer order. The object of research in this final project XX because the most ordered item in January 2022, the mechanism carried out by company XX in the production according to customer order is to produce product to fulfill order, not to fill warehouse inventory. Therefore, direct method to analyze the cost of good manufacturing is the job order cost method. Based on this background, XXX is blah blah blah. 2. Formulation of the problem. Based on the background that has been described, the formulation of the problem in this study is as follows. First, how is the cost production calculated using the cost of goods order method at the company XX month 2022. 2. How does the calculation of the cost of production compare between the method of cost of goods order and the calculation carried out by the company XX month XX 2022. 3. Research purpose. The objective to be achieved from writing the research are first, calculate to find out the cost of production at the company XX by using the method of cost of goods order in 2022. 2. Comparing the calculation of the cost production between the method of cost of goods order and the calculation carried out by the company XX in the month XX 2022. 4. Benefit of research. This research is expected to profit the following benefit. First, benefit for writer. A. Able to calculate to find out the cost of production in XX by using the method of cost of goods order the month of XX 2022. Able to compare the calculating of the cost of production between the method of cost of goods order and the calculation carried out by XX in the month of XX 2022. 2. Benefit for companies. This research is expected to be used as input and consideration for companies in determining the right cost of production. 3. Benefit of Semarang State Polytechnic. This research expected to be used by students, especially accounting major, as a reference and information in the preparation of research regarding the calculation of the cost of production using the cost of goods order method. 5. Literature review. Definition and classification of cost. In financial activities will not be separated from cost. According to Mulyadi, 2050 and 58 costs are sacrifices of economic resource measured in unit of money which have occurred or are likely to occur for certain purpose. There are four main elements in the definition of cost, namely first, cost as the sacrifice of economic resource. Second, measure in unit of money. Third, what has happened or is potential going to happen. And then the specific is for a specific purpose. Then in cost accounting, costs are classified in various ways. Generally, these costs classified in determined on the basis of the objective to be achieved by the classification, because in cost accounting the concept of different costs for different purpose is known. According to Mulyadi 2050, third, costs can be classified according to first output object. In this classification method, the name of the expense object is the basis for classification cost. For example, the name of the project of expenditure is raw material, then all expense related to raw material are called raw material cost. 2. Main function in the company. In a manufacturing company, there are three main functions, namely the production function, marketing function, and general administration function. Therefore, manufacturing company. Then cost can be grouped into three. First, production cost, 2, marketing fee, and then administration and general fee. Then relationship of cost to something fund. The relation of cost to something that is financed can be in the form of the product of the department. In the relation to something being financed, cost can be grouped into two groups. First, direct cost, and 2, indirect cost. Then cost behavior in relation to change activity, volume in relation to change in activity volume. Cost can be classified to 4. First, variable cost, semi-variable cost, semi-fixed cost, and then fixed cost. And then for benefit period, on the basis of the period of benefit, cost can be divided into two. And the first is capital expenditure and the second is revenue expenditure. Then definition of cost of production. The cost of production has an important role in determining the selling price of the product. According to Mulyadi 2050-65, the cost of production has enormous benefit for company management, including the following. First, determine the selling price of the product. Second, monitor product cost realization. And third, calculating gross profit or loss for a certain period. And the next one, determine the cost of finished product and the product in process presented in the balance sheet. Then, cost of product calculate method. These two types of cost accounting procedure will be discussed further with our emphasis on job order costing for more detail. First, order cost method. Order cost method is a method collecting product costing where costs are collected for each order or service contract separately, and each order or service contract can be identified separately. B. Process cost method. The process costing method is used to call product cost. In mass product company, in this company, the production process is carried out continuously and production is intended to meet inventory. And then the next is benefit of order cost information. First, determine the selling price to be charged to the customer. 2. Consider acceptance or rejection of order. 3. Monitor the realization of product cost. 5. Calculate the profit or loss and each order. And the next one, determine the cost of finished product, inventory, and work in the progress presented the balance sheet. And the next, cost of production element. In the product and item, the company must make an accurate calculation of the cost incurred and utilize the cost incurred efficiently. Therefore, the company must calculate the cost of good manufacturing. The element contained in the calculating of the cost of production among others. 3. First, direct material cost, direct labor cost, and the next one, factory overhead cost. And 6. Research method. The research method, in conducting research, it is necessary to follow the applicable rules so that the research result obtained can be cited to be valid. There are 4 keywords that needed to be considered, namely the scientific method, data purpose usability, the research method use the data preparation, the study method, data classification, data collection method, and analysis method, then rating method. Next, data classification. First, data by nature. Data by nature. First, quantitative data, and second, qualitative data. Next, data by source. First, primary data, and second, secondary data. And next, method of collecting data. First, interview. 2, observation. 3, documentation. And 4, literature. And next, research method. Benefit to collect data on raw material cost, direct labor cost, and factory overhead cost. And then calculating the cost of good manufacturing using the order cost method. Comparing the result of the calculation of the cost of good manufacturing between XXX and the method of cost good order. And then for rating technique, to first step description and 2 comparative form. And for writing system, for chapter 1 is introduction, chapter 2 theoretical basis, chapter 3 research method, chapter 4 company overview and discussion, and the next one chapter 5 closing. Thank you for your attention.